If you want to position yourself as an authority on YouTube, you need to be certain about the type of material you'll produce. The ultimate checklist for becoming a YouTuber and earning money. If you're a fitness trainer, for example, you could make films about healthy diet and at-home workouts. Choosing a specialty can help you get off to a good start, stay focused, produce high-quality material, and attract a highly targeted audience. 2. How will you use the platform to create content? Do you want to make educational videos? Do you want to make amusing and interesting videos? You'll have a sense of direction for making your movies once you've defined your objectives. Your YouTube channel will attract an audience that will want to subscribe and connect with your material if it is consistent. 3. The next stage is to decide on a content strategy and brainstorm video ideas. It will assist you in not running out of content ideas after a short amount of time. You can do this by looking at what others in your field are doing. Identify your audience's gaps, pain areas, and hobbies, then come up with ideas that will entice them to subscribe to your channel. 4. The quality of your content will be directly influenced by the technology you use to generate videos. Obviously, you don't have to spend a lot of money on high-end equipment at first, but there are a few things to think about. In order to capture your videos, you'll need a smartphone or a camera with a quality microphone. 5. Now that you've agreed on the essentials, it's time to start building your YouTube channel. You can use an existing Google account or create one specifically for this purpose. First and foremost, come up with a catchy name for your channel. Describe what your audience can expect from you when they subscribe in the About section. It's essentially your profile picture in the form of a channel symbol. Create a simple design that represents your business and the type of material you'll post on your channel with channel art. 6. Once your YouTube channel has been optimized, you may begin making your first video. Choose a title from your list of content ideas and write an outline for it. Because this will be your first video, don't worry about being perfect, no one is. Check your YouTube analytics to learn more about your video's success and how you may improve it in the future.